You know what's funny? The camera's been recording that. Well, I knew he was in the kitchen, but I thought he was distracted with his little bowl of dino cereal, but turns out he saw everything out. He also found the lollies I did not want him to find yet. But luckily I've managed to distract him with a bit of CBeebies. Normally I would film a video like this when he's in bed or with someone else. So I got it all ready to film and realised upon trying to put him to sleep, he does not want to sleep today. If you are a mum of a toddler, you know those naps, they get you through. They get you through. So he's not in the mood to nap today, but there's always a silver lining to that because tonight he will go to bed like that. He will go to bed so quickly. Not that I like wish him to go to bed all the time, but you know when like you get that when they're asleep you can get to do stuff that you normally wouldn't be able to do. So yeah, today's going to be a bit of a struggle with getting stuff done. However, I'm not actually meant to be filming this week because we are having a really nice week off as a family and just doing lots of things, seeing lots of friends and stuff like that. So that's why there's going to be less uploads this week. I'm also prepping for my autumn content. So if you're not already, I would definitely follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be doing an autumn recipe series, like real cozy vibes at least every other day in September, if not every single day. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already because that planning is well underway. I've just got to start filming it now. We are in the autumn mood, although the sun has finally come back today. It has been raining so much this summer. I did my weekly shop this week in ALDI and Ocado. I know what you're thinking. Oh, she's turning all bougie. She's shopping in Ocado now. But I have to say, so since my Ocado video, which I've linked here, I really enjoyed shopping at Ocado. We did find out that a lot of the prices were still much higher than like my usual shopping place, which is Aldi, and I'm definitely still going to be doing like my main shopping in Aldi all the time. But Ocado give you some like really blooming good deals. So I received an email yesterday saying, you're going to get £20 off your shop if you spend £60 at Ocado. And I thought, well, I need to do a food shop, and £20 off £60 is a third. That's a really good deal. I'm going to start with the frozen stuff just so I can quickly nip that back in the freezer. So first thing I found on Ocado, these look really good. These are from a brand called Claudi and Finn, 100% natural Greek style frozen yogurt mini ice lollies. Sorry, I have to whisper that because if he hears, it's game over. Mango flavour, strawberry flavour and peach and apricot flavour. I just think they look so great. He loves an ice cream. And obviously for pudding, I don't want to give him ice cream every night. I thought these are a really good alternative. I'll let you know how they are. I really kind of want to taste one myself. They look really good. So I'll pop those back in the freezer. I got 3 for £10 from Ocado on their Jolly Hog pork and apple sausages. So tomorrow I'm actually starting my first autumn recipe. I wonder if I should tell you or keep it a secret. But it's going to be on my Instagram, and it's like my stunning pork and apple sausage and mashed pie. I can't wait to make that. So I got 3 packs because it is 3 for 10, which works out as a good price for these sausages. But these are all going to go in the freezer now. I also got another pack of the Linda McCartney vegetarian mozzarella burgers because they are the best burgers ever. Such an easy dinner this week for Lawrence and I. So burger each, homemade fries and like salad on the side. Just such an easy good dinner. They are the best burgers. Lawrence makes the most unreal like burger sauce, so I'm gonna have that. I got 2 packs of the British chicken thigh fillets, so skinless and boneless. One of the recipes also, I don't know if I should keep telling you all my autumn recipe. No, I'm not going to tell you. Go and follow me on Instagram and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, but I've got a really stunning autumnal recipe coming up. And tonight we're having chicken pitas, so I am actually going to keep one of the chickens out. Bag of their British green beans. Goodness only knows why I haven't been buying frozen green beans for the last however many years I've been an adult and doing my own food shop, because they're so much better. They last so much longer. They cook the exact same. So yeah. Frozen green beans all the way, and I was so impressed with the ones from Ocado last time, or M&S. And then I got another bag of their 8 all butter pan of chocolates. These were really delicious, so that's going to be a nice like weekend breakfast, like a Sunday morning treat or a Saturday morning treat. From Aldi, I got another 2 bags of their berry medley, 4 berry medley. And it's got strawberries, blackberries, blueberries and raspberries. And we make a smoothie pretty much literally every single day actually. At least once a day we make a smoothie. So we're getting through fruit a lot quicker than normal. So I got 2 bags of those, but I also got a big bag of frozen blueberries, and then I got loads of bananas and stuff like that goes with it. Petits Pois, massive bag of peas, and I also got edamame beans frozen from Ocado because they go so well fried in a sweet potato wrap. Let me just put the freezer stuff back. That's the freezer stuff put away, I think. And now I'm going to start the really super duper like nutritious, delicious stuff. I'm joking. I could not resist these Marshmallow Mateys. I saw them. These were at the end. Like Ocado recommended these to me at the end. They really got me. So these are a dupe of Lucky Charms. I absolutely love Lucky Charms. I haven't had them for years because I do get major headaches when I have too much sugar, especially in the morning. So I do tend to avoid buying them, but I saw these and thought, I'm doing it. I'm gonna have to do it. Let's take the frozen berries off the table. Bitter. I'm gonna have to try those at the weekend, I think. I also got a big family pack of Shreddies. I didn't realise these were the frosted ones. We normally go for the normal ones. So Shreddies and Mateys. I always would get, I always do get unbranded cereal from Aldi because it's really nice cereal. It's weird having like branded cereal in the house, but when you got £20 off a £6 shop, I'm adding it. I got another milk for my cereal, almond no sugars. We already picked up some milk for general day-to-day use the other day. I got a loaf of Warburtons, half and half, thick cut. I really like Warburtons bread. Yeah, it used to be like the bread I would always eat at my dad's house, so I just love Warburtons. So that's what I fancied this week. That's what I got. I got another 10 organic eggs, empty because I put them in a little egg bowl over there. I got the British double cream, the really big pot. This works out a really good price and it's cheaper than the Ocado Savers menu. So like the M&S one is really good. I was impressed with it last time. We bought it on our last shop. I also bought these, which also worked out a really good price. They were on a discount deal. Banana and custard yogurts. So another really good, easy pudding idea for Orion. Sounds so good, doesn't it? I don't know why I film these when I'm starving because I really want to eat like everything in front of me. We've got the spicy chili salsa tortilla chips. So do you know what? I really fancy like a little glass of Prosecco, some of these, maybe some olives, cheese, some garlic in the olives. Really fancy that style of like food right now. So I think Friday night, that's what we're going to do. I've got a massive thing of British iceberg lettuce. I'm about to make some sandwiches because I'm going to take Orion out to the park so we can have like a little picnic while we're out. I've got a massive, big, giant share of chocolate buttons. I better not say that too loud because... but these were on offer on Ocado, so I got them. From Aldi, we got some more of the cookie dough slices. These are a joke. They're so good. We had like nothing sweet in the house, and I obviously decided we need a lot of sweet things in the house, so I got chocolate buttons, cookie dough slice, big pack of Oaties from Aldi, which are best biscuits. I also got dark chocolate digestives from Aldi. I got some malted milks from Aldi. And I got these, which my sister opened and tried and said they're very delicious. These are soft and chewy Titan cookies. So is Titan like the, is it Mars dupe? Or is Titan Snickers? Or is Titan Twix? I can't remember. I'm going to try those later. And from Aldi I got some cream cheese. So Orion likes to dip like his lentil crisps in the cream cheese or pretzel crisps. I got another big load of these. These are the handiest things in the world, especially when we're in a major rush. So I'll bring one of these out to one of our clubs and stuff, and he can have it in the car on the way home. They're just like yogurt pouches and fruit pouches from Aldi. They are so good, all organic. I also got some of this, which is 50% high juice blackcurrant flavour. In a week, yesterday we went out for a walk, and the blackberries, they're looking so ready already. So I think in a week we're going to go foraging. I'll probably vlog it, but we're going to go foraging. I'm going to collect as many blackberries as I can. I know I'm going to make like a super duper rich autumnal blackberry jam. Oh, just the thought of having blackberry jam on toast right now. The best. Just super rich, super flavourful. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'll probably vlog it. I've got another 2 avocados. These are working out cheaper than Aldi right now, which is, again, pretty surprising, but good. I got some sesame seeded bagels from Aldi. I really like these ones. They're just like the branded ones, but much cheaper. I got a netted bag of unwaxed lemons from Aldi. I pick those up weekly. I got some sour cream and chive from Ocado and guacamole from Ocado. We're going to have chicken pitas tonight. I can't wait because it's actually my favourite. Chicken pitas is my favourite weekday dinner. So I'm really looking forward to that. And then I've got 3 blocks of butter because I'm not sure when I'm going to shop at Ocado again. If they give me a really good deal like they did on my emails, I might do. But these Yeo Valley organic salted butters, I've not tried them. Are like a good 50p cheaper, even without the discount, a good 50p cheaper right now than the Aldi butter. Which is, I think it's like 50 or 30p, which is like a fair amount, you know. So I got 3 of them because I didn't know when I was going to next shop at Ocado, and I am doing some baking this week, some more flapjacks. But yeah, I was really impressed with that, and they are organic. But yeah, normally I get the butter from Aldi, which is the specially selected salted butter, which West Country salted butter, which is honestly the best butter you can buy. But for now, we will have this one while it's on a good offer. I got another M&S olive ciabatta, which is such a good ciabatta. I bought it last time I did the Ocado shop and it was so good. We literally ate it in like 1 hour. We just started cutting a slice each, buttering it, eating it, cutting another slice, buttering, eating. Oren had a slice. We literally ate the whole thing in one go. So that's how good it was. I got some more of their sweet and spiced ham. And this was super expensive, but it's very, very delicious as a treat. I got a big bag of the Ocado basic onions, white onions, because I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking with onions over the next week with my autumn recipes, and a massive bag of red onions, because again, I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking with onions this week. And then I got a big, massive 2.5 kilogram bag of white potatoes from Ocado. I also got a big bag of their carrots. I was really impressed with their budget carrots. So I got another big bag of that. A massive pot of natural style Greek yogurt. Generally we have yogurt in all of our smoothies every single day, and also for puddings and stuff. What I normally do is get like just a plain fruit pouch, like this prune pouch, and a big lump of yogurt, and then that's Oren's pudding. He will like mix it together and he really enjoys that. Yeah, so dinners this week are going to be chicken fajitas, spicy sweet potato, we've already got sweet potatoes, spicy sweet potato and edamame wraps. And then we're going to be having sausage and mash pie, but that's going to be filmed for Instagram. I might film a little bit for a vlog on YouTube, but generally that's going to be an Instagram recipe. Lots of autumn dinners, but I don't want to keep telling you what we're having. Because I want you to see them as a surprise in the next couple of weeks. Anyway, that was generally this week's food shop. This will last the next week's 10 days, along with other bits we already had in the cupboards and the fridge and freezers. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to put all of this away now and pop out to the playground with my little toddler. And I'll see you again really, really soon. Bye!